I'm back, guys. My memory card was full. But like I was saying, I got the fitting that came with my with the fuel pressure regulator, fuel regulator. This here, I don't have a fitting that go extra screw onto that, and this what was sent to me. And I don't see nothing that go on now. I don't see nothing. But they gotta let that where that stops too, so these in the right fitting, man. These are not the right one. But going through the middleman, trying to get the store work done, and not actually pretty much getting with the man that's actually working on whatever you got going, getting what he recommend you to get. And but the middleman tell you now you need this, and you get that, it don't it ain't gonna fit. You gonna have the same kind. You know what I'm saying? And I don't like nigga reading people's shit, cause I ain't finna nigga read my shit, so I ain't finna nigga read no else's shit. But the only way for me to make this work is that I might have to just push this line on, there, and put put one of them clamps on there, pipe clamp. I'm gonna have to put one there, which ain't gonna hurt, but I would like to use the actual screw thing, but I don't have no AN fitting to fit that. So I gotta work with what I got. So what I'm about to do now, I'm about to mount this on the car somewhere, and then once I get that up there, mount it, I can actually put my fuel line. Then I'm gonna need some wires. I go to the parts store and get the female connected to this right here. And I need some wires to power up the fuel pump. I put a fuel pump in last weekend. Put that in last weekend and everything. So this here will be the last thing I worry about. I can always hook that up. I'm gonna get this up under the car, mount it up, and we could go from there, because ain't none of these fitting. I can't use none of them. I can't use none of them. I got all 3/8 A&N. This would be a bigger size. I think it's a quarter, 1/4. I got my phone in my pocket. Let's see. Let me get up under here and see, where can I? Not the regulator. I see where I'm gonna put it at. Let me go grab some tools. So guys, I'm gonna cut y'all back on once I get what I need and get that process going. So y'all stay tuned. Stay tuned, my guy.